Configuring a new SDI sensor manually. SDI sensors are so called because they communicate to the data logger via the widely used Serial Data Interface or SDI protocol. SDI sensors are plugged into data logger front panel connectors marked SDI-A, SDI-B, SDI-C, or SDI-D. This presentation shows how to configure an SDI sensor manually, which is the currently recommended procedure for most SDI sensors. The alternative is configuration via auto-detection. For details, see the presentation on that subject. From the home screen, tap Sensors. The Sensors screen appears. It shows all currently configured sensors in the data logger. In this example, there are already 2 sensors configured. Tap New Sensor. The Please Select Sensor Type screen appears. The screen contains icons for each available type of sensor. Some sensors, such as battery, solar, case temp, and rain, are not SDI sensors. The others are. This includes stage, SDI-AM, TAVIS, and SDI. The first 3 are known sensors with preloaded configurations specific to each one. The last, SDI, is a generic SDI sensor that can be configured for any SDI-compliant device. In this example, we will configure a stage sensor. Tap Stage. The Stage Sensor Setup screen appears with the Stage tab selected. This screen, including both Stage and Temp tabs, is preloaded with the default configuration for a stage sensor. Modify the stage configuration as required. Select a unique address for the sensor. In this example, we have selected address 4. Ensure the active box is checked. Modify the variable name, units, and precision as required. In this example, we use the name HG, units M for meters, and precision 1. Select the appropriate scheduling interval and offset. In this example, the stage sensor is pulled every 5 minutes at 5 seconds before, or equivalently 4 minutes and 55 seconds after the 5-minute mark. When you have configured the stage part of the sensor to your requirements, tap the Temp tab. The Temp tab appears. Modify the temp configuration as required. The sensor name, address, and active flag are shared with the Stage tab and need not be modified here. Modify the variable name, units, and precision as required. In this example, we use the name TW, unit C, and precision 1. If Use Stage command is checked, as is recommended, then the interval and offset values are also shared with the Stage tab. When you have configured the temperature part of the sensor to your requirements, tap Test. While the data logger performs a test of the sensor using the new configuration, the Stage Test message appears. You can cancel the test at any time by tapping Cancel. When the test is completed, a message showing the values read from the sensors appears. Tap OK to dismiss the message. The Stage Sensor Setup screen reappears. To save this sensor configuration, tap OK. The Sensor screen reappears. It contains an icon for each configured sensor, including the newly configured stage sensor. To close, tap Home.